Today we're looking at the Eve Weather Smart Temperature Station to see how it works inside SmartThings. A special thanks to Eve for sending out the weather station, as well as the AOTech Smart Home Hub 2, which is Thread, Matter, and Zigbee capable. Now, this compact outdoor weather station measures temperature, humidity, and barometric pressure. Originally a HomeKit only product, it now supports Matter, which means it can connect directly to SmartThings without an Eve hub or an account login. Everything stays local and private. Eve Weather gives you real outdoor data that your smart home can react to. Temperature and humidity readings are fully available in SmartThings. It works as a standard Matter sensor inside SmartThings, so it appears cleanly on your dashboard and can be used in any automations that rely on those two metrics. Eve Weather communicates over Thread, so you'll need a Thread border router like the SmartThings station or the AOTech Smart Home Hub 2, or you can have other compatible devices such as Google Nest or Apple HomePod. Once your Thread network is established, Matter pairing is straightforward. Because Eve Weather is battery powered, it functions as a sleepy endpoint and does not relay data to other devices. Pairing is simple in the SmartThings app. Tap Add Device, select Matter, scan the QR code on the back of the Eve Weather device, and assign it to a room. Once connected, temperature and humidity readings will start populating immediately. Inside SmartThings, Eve Weather shows up as a very simple device. You'll get temperature and humidity, and that's it. Unfortunately, barometric pressure and trend data are only available inside the Eve app, and this limitation also applies to Apple Home, Homey Pro, and Sharp tools. Matter currently does not support barometric pressure, and Eve cannot expose this data outside their own app. Even with Matter 1.3, this hasn't changed. If you want full trend graphs or barometric pressure charts, you'll need to use the free Eve app, which pulls data directly from the sensor and allows historical readings over time. Let's talk about the weather trend icons you'll see in the Eve app. Eve Weather constantly monitors barometric pressure changes over the preceding 12 hours. Based on the trend, it assigns one of four icons: a sunny icon for rising pressure, which indicates improving weather; a partly cloudy icon for stable or gently falling pressure, suggests mild changes; a rain icon for rapidly dropping pressure, signaling unsettled weather; and a storm icon for steep pressure drops, warning of more intense weather changes. These icons are displayed on the Eve device, giving you a quick sense of the trend at a glance. The Eve Weather Station is weather resistant with an IPX4 rating, which can handle splashes but not submersion or direct jets of water. For best accuracy, place it in a shaded outdoor spot like a porch post or fence rail to avoid direct sunlight that could skew readings. Mounting is easy. There's a screw mount on the back for walls or posts, strong adhesive strips for smooth surfaces, or you can simply set it on a flat surface. As long as it's shielded from direct rain or sunlight, readings will be accurate. The sensor uses a single CR2450 coin cell with typical battery life around 1 year. The SmartThings app will report battery percentage, so you'll know when to replace it. For SmartThings users who want temperature and humidity-based routines, Eve Weather is simple, private, and subscription-free. It's a solid addition to your Matter and Thread ecosystem, delivering real outdoor climate data to make your home smarter and more responsive. If you're interested in picking one up, I've included product links in the description. Hey, thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.